So this is David, owner of a ride at a carnival. The reason he looks so deserted despite the large crowd is that the children are complaining about the excessive noise coming from the ride. One day he met his old classmate and discussed his problem with him. Richard saw the ride and said, "It's a very tiny problem. We can easily solve it using math. But let's be real, you have absolutely no relation with maths." Hiding his embarrassment, David said, "Dude, you are the only one who understands. Just save me, no." Richard smiled and said, "Let me explain you. This circle is your ride, and your sitting arrangement is like two chords of this circle, on which you have allocated three seats on each chord. This center A is the machinery of the ride. Because the seats are too much close to the machinery, that's why children are facing too much excessive noise. So all we need to do is move the cord a little away from the center of the circle." Let's do a little math, and for this we will be using the property of a circle which says larger the chord it is closer to the circle and vice versa. The distance between the chord and the center of the circle we can easily find out by the Pythagoras theorem. As I can see in current seating arrangement, you need a gap of 3 meters between two seats and also a gap of 3 meters from the corner of the seat of the circle. As the radius of your circular ride is 15 meter and the length of the chord is 12 meter, by Pythagoras theorem, distance between the center and the chord will be 13.75 meter. Considering the gap of 3 meter, let's reduce the gap in the multiple of 3 and let's say we can take the length of the chord as 9 meter. And in this situation, if we find out the distance between the center and the chord, then it will be 14.33 meter. Looking at David's gloomy face, Richard said, "Why are you still not happy?" David said, "My math may be bad, but I understand this much. A smaller chord means fewer seats." Richard replied, Yeah, and fewer seats means your lesser money, right?" "I also have a solution for that. Let's do a bit more math. Considering the gap of 3 meters, only 2 seats can be accommodated on this 9 meter chord. But since we have a shorter chord now, we can easily fit 4 chords in a space of 2. So now we will have a total of 8 seats, whereas earlier there were only 6. So now is it a profit or loss?" Now as the ride whirled into motion, delighted screams filled the air, showcasing how mathematics and creativity can come together to solve real-world challenges. I hope you liked the video. Follow for more.